If Figma is showing an error message, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through the quickest fixes step by step so you can get back to designing without wasting time. Whether the issue is caused by a corrupted cache, a browser problem, a network block, or a file that's simply too heavy to load, we'll cover the most reliable solutions in the right order. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more easy software fixes and design tutorials. Alright, let's jump straight in. First, let's clear the Figma app cache because this is one of the most common reasons desktop errors happen. If you're on a Mac, open Figma, go to the Help menu, and choose Troubleshooting. Inside that menu, look for the option to clear local data or reset the application state, depending on the version you have installed. This helps remove temporary files that may be causing the error message. If you're on Windows, close Figma completely first, then open the Start menu and type %appdata%\Figma. Open that folder and you should see two folders called Desktop and Desktop Profile. Delete both of them, then reopen Figma. This forces the desktop app to rebuild clean files the next time it launches, which often fixes loading problems, blank screens, and repeated error pop-ups. Now, if the issue still continues, the next thing to do is test Figma in your browser. Open Chrome or Firefox, sign into your Figma account, and try loading the same file there. This step is important because it helps you figure out whether the problem is with the desktop application itself or with your account, file, or internet connection. If Figma works fine in the browser but not in the desktop app, then the issue is likely local to the app installation or cache. But if you see the same error in both places, that points to a bigger connection or file-related problem. Next, check your network settings and any VPN or firewall you may be using. Figma needs a stable connection, and it relies on port 443 to communicate properly. If you have an active VPN, proxy, or a strict firewall rule, temporarily disable it and try opening Figma again. In many cases, a security tool or corporate network can block the services Figma needs, which can trigger sign-in issues, loading failures, or generic error messages. If you're on a work or a school network, that restriction may be enforced by the administrator, so testing on a different network can help confirm the cause. After that, let's reduce file memory usage, especially if the error happens only in one large project. Very heavy Figma files can sometimes become unstable, especially if they contain too many layers, massive images, lots of components, or intense effects. Start by closing any unused tabs inside the file and opening only the page you actually need. If the file is extremely large, try splitting it into smaller files or moving sections into separate projects. You can also turn off heavy effects, blur, shadows, and unnecessary multiplayer cursors while editing. These changes reduce the load on Figma and often make the file much easier to open and work with. If the file still feels slow, duplicate it and test whether the duplicate opens more smoothly, because that can help you identify whether the original file has become too complex. So to recap, if you're seeing a Figma error message, first clear the desktop cache, then test Figma in the browser, then check your network, VPN, proxy, and firewall settings, and finally reduce the memory load of large design files. In most cases, one of these fixes will solve the issue and get you back to work quickly. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more troubleshooting guides, and share this with anyone else who's stuck on a Figma error message. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.